Today I'm going to teach you guys some tips and tricks on travel. This is the Air Mini, just a comparison to your home unit. This is the Air Sense 11, both by ResMed. Both of them use an app. I'll add a link in the description if you're interested in this Air Mini, how to set it up and how it works, and an unboxing. But today I'm going to go over how to travel, tips and tricks I use when I just travel with my home unit. So stand by and we'll go over that. Okay, so my first tip, I'm going to have my bag ready. I always have my bag ready, and then I have an extra hose that I just keep in my bag. And then I have an extra humidifier chamber, and also I just purchased an extra power adapter. That way I have, and an extra mask. That way I have everything in my bag. When I go to leave my house, I just unplug my power cord, unplug my hose, take out my water chamber, and I leave everything at home. And then all I have to do is take this and I'm off and running. Then when I get home, I do the complete opposite. I get rid of my travel bag, hook my water chamber up, and hook my hose up, my thing. I'm ready to go. I always got tired of taking my power plug and unplugging everything and taking all this stuff off and unplugging everything. So I just made me a travel bag, extra hose, extra water chamber, extra power cord. Basically, as I've got my resupplies, I have extras of stuff, so I just use that. So that's tip number one. Make you a travel bag with everything and you're good to go. Okay, tip number two. Let's say you're going to stay in an RV and you don't have a generator. You're going to run all night. But you happen in your RV have a DC adapter. What you'd want to do is get you a DC adapter that will plug into your machine. So that way you can just plug it directly in, do that, and then you're running off your RV. The third travel tip is if you need a battery to run your stuff on, get a portable outlet. I sell these on our website. There's some really cool things you can use with this, but basically this will run your machine all night for 8 hours with the humidifier and water chamber, and then you just got to figure out how to charge it up. It's FAA approved. I'll provide a link in where you can purchase these. I also have a full unboxing and review. You can go back and look at that video. The updated version of this is really nice because basically it works as a backup. So at any time, you basically just plug this into the wall and then your CPAP into this. The power goes out in the middle of the night, this will run it. So the nice thing is if you have power bumps or power outages, you can always run that. And then when you travel, you can just pick up this, take it with you. So, and it's FAA approved, which is really nice. It's got a built-in inverter, so no special power things, adapters, anything. You can just plug it directly into the battery. So that's tip number three. Get a good battery that you can travel with. The last tip I'm going to give you today is when running on a battery. Doesn't matter if it's this one or whatever battery. You'll get about 8 hours of life using this with this. If you're using this, you'll probably get 2.5 nights running this, maybe even 3 when I've bench tested it. But there's a way you can make this last longer. So the power consumption is in your water heater. There's a heat plate, and that runs a lot of power, as well as your heated hose. So I'm going to show you how to go into your settings and turn off your humidifier. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to turn these off, the humidification off when you travel. If you want to use a portable battery to save power, what you'll do is you'll change this climate control from auto to off, or to manual, and then turn your tube temp off and then your humidity off. So there's 3 settings: manual, off, off. And then to go back, turn it back on, it's auto. And then the tube temp auto. There you go. That's how you do it, guys. Get a good battery that you can travel with. I like this portable outlet one. That's the one we sell. In future videos, I'm going to show you how to adapt and use some like Milwaukee top-off batteries. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like today's video. And we'll talk to you next week.